Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube login creator. Today, I want to share some information with you guys out there, especially for the new YouTubers, about invalid traffic. Now, I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible. I'm going to go to my favorite site, ChatGPT, and I'm going to let it read the information. I hope you guys can stick around. The video is not going to be too long. All right. I know some people will click off right away when they see it's too long, but I think if you stick around, you're going to get something out of this video. It's very important, especially for a new YouTuber. And if you are an established YouTuber that's been on the platform, I've been on this platform since 2013, so what makes it 10 years. But I want to share this information with you guys out there, so hopefully you don't run into a problem like this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to ChatGPT. And I'm going to use a program that comes with the Windows 11. That's what I'm using for my operating system here. It's called Read Aloud. I'm going to let it read it and then close that video out. But I also have a website from Google that talks more about invalid traffic. Okay, so I hope you guys could stick around. So without further ado, let's get right to it.
Explain what is invalid traffic on YouTube and what causes a YouTuber to get an invalid traffic notification. ChatGPT. Invalid traffic on platforms like YouTube generally refers to the interactions, e.g., views, clicks, or other engagement metrics, that don't come from genuine user interest. These interactions can be either accidentally generated or intentionally fraudulent. Invalid traffic devalues the ecosystem for advertisers because they're essentially paying for non-genuine interactions, which is why platforms like YouTube have systems in place to detect and filter out such traffic. If a YouTuber gets an invalid traffic notification, it means that YouTube systems have detected some abnormal activity on their videos or ads that doesn't seem like it comes from genuine users. This could have several reasons. Bots or automated traffic. These are non-human traffic sources where software mimics the behavior of a user watching videos, clicking on ads, etc. Click farms. These are organized groups where individuals are paid to watch videos, click on ads, or engage with content en masse. Accidental clicks or engagements. Sometimes, genuine users might accidentally click on an ad or video multiple times in a short span. If this happens too frequently, it might be flagged as suspicious. Paid views from non-accredited sources. While YouTube allows advertising through its own platform to promote videos, paying third-party services for views can often result in non-genuine traffic. Many of these third-party services use bots or low-quality traffic sources. Embedding in misleading places. If a video or ad is embedded on a site where the users are tricked into interacting with it, or if it autoplays in an intrusive manner, these interactions may be deemed as invalid. Frequent repeated views. Watching your own videos excessively or encouraging a small group to do so repeatedly can flag your traffic as invalid. Consequences for receiving invalid traffic can range from not earning revenue from the flagged interactions to more severe penalties, such as account suspension, especially if the behavior is found to be deliberate. For YouTubers, it's essential to ensure that they promote and grow their channels in genuine and platform-approved ways. They should also keep an eye on their analytics to spot any abnormal spikes in views or other metrics, which might be indicative of non-genuine traffic. If a creator believes they've received an invalid traffic notification in error, they should reach out to YouTube support for clarification and guidance.
Okay guys, and here is the website I was talking about. As you can see over here, it's from Google Ads, and it says, "We protect you from invalid activity and advertising fraud." And if you look over here in the top where it says traffic quality, you got the overview, invalid activity, how we prevent it, and what you can do. When you check it out, you're going to have a lot of information here. The only thing I will say, the wording here is very light. Whoever did this here didn't make it too dark, and it's not my computer. I don't know if it is or not, but I mean everything else seems to work fine. But it is kind of very light here. I mean, I'm having a little trouble reading it myself, and I wear glasses for reading. But if you get a chance, check it out, read more into it. If you got the time, read at your own leisure, and hopefully you'll get a takeaway from it. Okay, I will drop this link below. Well, that's all I have for you right now, folks. I hope this information helps. And if it does, if you got a takeaway from it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlog creator here. I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best success. Keep making those videos. Remember, folks, content is king, and consistency. And I just want to share one other thing with the new YouTubers. When it comes to creating new videos, there's 5 things I always say. 1, keep it real. Number 2, keep it original. Number 3, let it grow organically. Number 4, good titles. And number 5, good thumbnails. Do those 5 things, and you should be on your way growing your channel. Until next time, bye-bye for now.